Coming to Nacro, it's been a very positive experience. It's been great. So I came to Nacro with a lot of anxiety. I was very quiet, and now I come in on my days off and I don't shut up. So at the moment I'm studying level 2 childcare, and last year I did level 2 painting and decorating, which I passed. Being student voice lead makes me feel proud because I know that I'm helping to make the college a better place. It's a good community to be involved in. So student voice is about coming together as a community to make the college a better place for everyone. So we have our regional meetings with all the other centres, and at the end of the year we have one big meet up in London, which is always great. Student voice, it's helped me become more confident because I was very shy when I joined, and now I've got a lot of confidence here. I know I can be myself. I wouldn't be where I am today without Nacro. I've gained qualifications here at my old college. I was in the process of just dropping out completely. I didn't want to do anything, but then I found Nacro, and now I don't want to leave, but I kind of have to. I've managed to get my little sister here next year as well. I know that she'll enjoy it, and that she'll get the support that she needs because I got the support that I needed, whereas at my old college I didn't. I've hoped that one day I can work with Nacro because I want to be a learning support assistant. I want to be able to help students that are feeling how I felt when I joined, tell them my experience and tell them that everything works out. The LSAs here have helped me, and it's encouraged me to want to help other people in my position, show them the support that I've been shown.
If you could describe Nacro in one word, what would you use?
Amazing.